It's now time to add assignments to your Google Classroom. First step is click on classwork. Then we go to create. We're going to create one or more than one of these options. The first thing I want to show you is how to add material. I will be using a website as material. So I'm copying that link. I will paste it where it says add link, and I paste the link here. I add the link. Now I'll give it a title and fill in the rest of it. All right. This is a good typing website, so I will give them the directions. And they will follow. And we continue. Now, the next step would be to move to the right. I need to give it a topic, and since I'll find other websites that are useful, I'll just call it websites so that any other similar activity I can post under this topic. And now I have the first set of material for my students. Now let's add an assignment. Go to assignment. Similarly, we choose, I want to give them an activity from my Google Drive. So I go in, and when the window opens up, I will choose one of the worksheets that I have here that I'd like my students to complete. This is it. I double clicked. It's automatically added. On the right, it says students can view file. I want them to do more than just look at the file. I want them to work on it, complete it. So I'll make a copy for each student. And here they can get it. Each one will get a separate sheet and fill in. This is all about writing poetry. So I'll put that title and I'll tell them what they need to do. And now they're going to complete it. Then they're going to turn it in. And when they turn it in, this is not a button you will see on your screen. It's a button that they will see on the screen. It's marked turn in. They will have to go over on their right of their screen, and they will have to click add, and they complete it. Then they click turn in. The topic will be creative writing. And that's done. Points, I could leave it at 100, graded for points, or make it ungraded. Make it just a fun activity for them. Then I don't want to assign it right away, so I put it on a schedule for it to show up the next day. And I can change the time or leave this here. This is fine for me. I hit schedule, and they will see it when they come to their computer and they sign on. It will be in the stream, and it will also be in the classwork when they log in. And I hope it worked for you. If there's anything else you'd like me to share, just say it in the comments. If you like this, click like and subscribe to the channel, and feel free to share. Thank you.